Welcome to e-commerce store in PHP and MySQL with the assistance of Bootstrap. So friend, I closed my video, finished my previous video after making this button and after making this icon tag for showing this search icon. So from this video I shall begin my work right after this closing div of navbar -collapse space right -ends. So I come out of it and I make one div start and div close, and I assign a class to it, class collapse space clear fix id is equal to search, the same id which was mentioned above here. I have called that id here. So now I comment it, collapse. I clear this class name and paste it here. Starts, and now I copy this comment and paste it at the closing div. This clear fix class is for clearing the above data. Now I make one form tag, form start and form close. Class is equal to navbar dash form, and now I assign a method to it which will be called in PHP during our PHP work. Its method will be get and action. I also assign the action page which will be results.php. This page also will be made during this course, results.php. So now I comment it, navbar dash form start, I copy this comment and paste it at the closing form div. And here I write ends. Div start and div close. I have made one div inside the form tag and I assign a class to this div. Class is equal to double quotes input dash group. Now I comment it. I copy this comment and paste it at the closing div. Input dash group ends, and now I make one input tag inside this div and assign a class to it, form dash control, type is equal to double quotes text. This input tag type will be text. Placeholder, we use placeholder for showing the data inside the tab bar. Search is equal to double quotes search will be shown here, and I assign a name to it for calling it in PHP. Name is equal to user underscore query. Required, I mean this field should be must filled by the user if he wants to search anything. Now I make one button button start and button close, and I define a type for it. Type is equal to submit. Now I define a value for it. Its value is equal to search, and I define a name for it. Name is equal to search. I assign a class to it, btn space btn dash primary. Now I make one I tag. Now I have made one I tag and assign a class to it. Class is equal to double quotes fa space fa dash search. Now I go to my Chrome browser for watching its preview, so I refresh this page. So friend, now you can see that if I click over it, then this search box, down search box, is being shown before you. This is the search icon. Please fill out this field because I have used required tag, required attributes. Therefore, it is saying that you please fill out this field. If anybody does not fill, then this message will be shown over here. And if I click over it, then it closes. This search box closes. So friend, I have made this search box in this video. In next video, I shall come back and I shall start my work inside my style.css page for stylizing this logo, all these navigation bar, menu bar, main buttons, and this search box. Because if I go to my sample template, you can watch that there is this kind of navigation bar, this kind of logo is being shown, and this kind of search box is being shown. But here, till now, there is no alignment here and no stylizing here. So I come back in next video and begin my work inside this style.css. So I see you in next video. Goodbye.